Welcome back to Kiwi Crafters. So you are watching our Craft Week craft. So we already came out with one today. Go watch that video if you haven't already because it's super fun. It's about making a fish tank literally out of hand sanitizer. We all have that. So this is such a quick DIY. We decided to do it today along with another video because today we started Craft Week. Probably tell by the title. I didn't think about that. Why am I spending so much time explaining something that's literally right below me? Sorry about that, guys. So anyway, we're doing how to make a miniature face mask. Yeah, so anyway, we have a couple announcements and then we'll get right into it. Hi, so I got a new house made for me this weekend. So I'm super excited about this because now I actually have a house. We have posted multiple videos today. So check out each one of those because they are extremely fun and I think you'll enjoy them, especially if you're just looking for a short DIY or something to entertain you while you're stuck at home being bored during distance learning. Isn't it like the third month of this or something? Okay, after all that being said, we're almost done, but we have one more announcement. So a video is coming out that I think you guys will be super excited about. I can't wait to do it for you guys, but it takes a couple days to make because like the actual thing takes a little while. So if you're watching this a couple days in the future, it might already be out, but it probably won't be if you're watching it like today, tomorrow, or maybe even the next day. And it is Sophie and Toffee squishy gel. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for it for so long. It was actually pretty cheap. I was surprised. That's why I went ahead and bought it right away. And I'm super excited. I'm so excited. It's basically just gel to make mochi squishies. We're going to review it and tell you if it's worth it. And it's also a little DIY. So anyway, yay! Okay, people that are actually right here right now and didn't like skip through this part because those announcements were boring, sorry about that. I just thought that would be necessary to say because they're pretty important and I'm super excited to continue on with this channel. Don't forget that once we get to 20 subscribers, we will get to do a dollhouse makeover. We did one, but it was a little bit different. This one's big. It's got 4 rooms and I'm super excited to do this, but we gotta get 20 subscribers first. So if you do that, we will for sure do it. Okay, so with all that being said, and if you're watching this right now, even after all that, we're going to be using a face mask to make a miniature face mask. So I decided to use just the basic kind of face mask. I use this one, and since it's kind of like a one-time use, I use it for a day, and then if my other face mask isn't ready or I can't find it or something, and then I don't want to use it again because these are not reusable, so then I go ahead and just do a DIY with them. So let's do that now. Start by taking it apart. So for mine, I got one of these. It's got like these weird ear things, but I had so many of these, I decided to take this one apart since I've used a lot of them. So here we go, and then I've also got the face mask part. I went ahead and took out all of those folds in it, and then I've got my wire here too. So here we go. Now it's time to make the DIY. So first thing is choose your doll size. I'm making mine for a 12-inch doll, not an 8-inch because 8 inches are so tiny. Real tiny dolls, and you have to make such tiny little face masks. So I decided a 12-inch doll is the best option. If you want to go smaller, go for it. That's going to be a challenge, but good job. And if you have bigger dolls, that definitely works because I doubt you have a doll that's bigger than your own head. I mean, I do, but I'm not going to do that. Hi guys, it's me. You've probably seen this doll on my channel. She's really cute. I love her a lot. And I know she's not like the regular, cute, adorable, nice dolls, but she's a special doll, okay? So don't judge her. I love her, okay? So anyway, we're gonna be basing it off of her. Start by measuring the doll's face and then cut out the piece of cloth. For my 12-inch doll, it's like, so I don't know the exact length, but I'm cutting through this in the middle. And then I'm just cutting about 1/4 of it out. So if you divide it into 4 pieces, I'm cutting out just one of those. Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to be using glue. If you don't have that, you can use the stuff that you have in, so you sometimes have like catalogs and they have clothes in them, and then they have that sticky stuff on the side. That works. Not the best, but it definitely works if you don't have glue. I'm using hot glue because it dries so fast, so it makes it really easy. Also easy to make my videos. And so if you don't have that, you could try to use sticky tack. I'm not sure how that would go. You can also use stuff like glue that you use for wood glue. That works. It's really strong. It turns out crispy, but it will do the job. It just won't look right. So, that's an option if that's all you've got. I gave it 2 folds here and here and just glued them. I made sure that the blue was in the front and the white was in the back, just because that's the way it usually is. And checking to see if it fits. It fits pretty well. So now I'm just going to, so those side things that I showed you are these. So I'm going to glue these on this way instead of the regular way, because this way it will go around her head, because dolls don't usually have ears. I know it's weird, but it's true. If you want to go all out and put in the wire back where it was, you can definitely do that, but I'm not. So I trimmed off all the excess little ends because it was just a little bit big for her, and then I glued it on. So let's see if it fits. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Super cute in the end. I love it. And so I really like it, but it's not the perfect fit just because her face isn't exactly the same shape. But anyway, it looks really cute in the end, so I like it enough. You can of course make it for other dolls that are different sizes, but I'm not doing that in this video today. So in the end, the goal of this video was just to show you a DIY that you probably could make even if you're not a super crafty person that has crafts everywhere.